everyone, this is Rick Darlington. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your videos for free with the Lightworks. I usually just edit some YouTube videos with the Lightworks for free. So first of all, just visit the website, and there you could just download it for 64-bit. So it is under downloading right now. Then I just save the software to my computer. Then you could just select language. I will choose the English and tap on the OK button to begin download this free edit and video editing software on my computer. Could just choose paste to save the software. Just I will keep it onto the hard drive D, and there begin to download the software. It may take some time, just be patient. Now it's already downloaded on my computer, and just run the software on your computer. So this is the interface of the Lightworks video editor. Because I already used this software and just uninstalled it once again, you could find some files still restored in the software when I just finished downloading the software. But to start with, let me just introduce some basic features about Lightworks video editor. So this is the timeline, including the video and audio tracks. You could also tap on right-click your mouse and find some more features like the delete the tracks or select something or intersector. So if you want to import some media files, you could just first of all tap on the libraries, then choose the local files, and I tap on the places to import some videos or some images from your computer. For example, I just want to import the different video clips onto my hard drive A. So after importing all of these video clips to the software, you could just drag them to the timeline. For example, I just drag them to the timeline. So it is very easy to use the Lightworks to drag the video clips to the timeline. Now after that, I just need to cut the beginning parts and the end parts because they include the OBS interface. So to cut the videos with the Lightworks, you could just play it and say when to cut. Hello everyone, for example, you could just, if you hope to just zoom in the video, you could tap on this button to know it much better. This is Rick Darlington. Hello. So I just cut it here. To cut the videos with the Lightworks, just click the video clips, including the video and audio tracks. Then just press the C on your keyboard. After that, just choose the unwanted and press the delete button on your keyboard. In order to remove this gap, you could just right-click your mouse and then just choose the remove and remove the gaps. So it's very easy to use. To add your music, it is very easy. You could just tap on the local files and also. So here you could just add a audio track before you import the music file. Right-click the mouse and there add the audio. You could even add some more audio here. After that, you could just drag the music file here and just take it a try. Hello everyone, this is the Rick Darlington. Now once again, you may find the music volume is very big, so you could just adjust the music file and your own voice. So to adjust the audio from the Lightworks, you could go to the audio and then choose just move this bar to adjust the volume of the audio. For example, you could say the AE and AR on the music volume, so you could just make it a little bit smaller. You could just jack these two. So first of all, play it. Just to show you how to transfer what's from your iPhone to Android. In your daily lives, there are so many times you just need to transfer WhatsApp messages, such as the photos, videos, and some other documents from iPhone to Android. And first of all, maybe you want to ask whether. So as you can see, it's very cool to use the Lightworks for adjusting the music, the audio volume. On the one hand, you could just decrease the music volume, and on the other, you could improve your voice audio volume so that it looks much better in general. So as you can see, it's very simple to use the Lightworks. But one of the best advantages for the Lightworks is that on the one hand, it is completely free. But with the free version, you could just export the video to 720p. So to export the video, just right-click your mouse and then choose the export. And you could say here, with the free version, you could just export it to the MP4. For example, I just try to export the video, but you could change the frame rate, and also you could, as you can see, you could just export it to the 720p or 480p. Here you could just select a path to save the video. But with the free version of the Lightworks, you could also just share the video directly to YouTube. So it's very easy to use, or to the Vimeo, as well as to some camera formats, but they are only eligible for the Pro version. If you want to add some text or some effects or some transitions with the Lightworks free video editor, just go to VFX. Here you could tap on this button. For example, we could just choose some color, some warm color, or some other color. After selecting a preferred format, just tap on the Apply Effect. Here you could also just choose some effects. There are so many pre-installed effects for the Lightworks, or some key, etc., like the breeze screen, mix, like the dissolver transitions, push or wipe something. Could even download the plugins. So to add a text, just you could tap on the text and choose a text style, and then just add it. So it's very easy to use. You could also change the color. Color correction is very powerful for the Lightworks video editor. So in general, Lightworks video editor is really very amazing, and compared to other video editor softwares, the Lightworks video editor is very light, which doesn't consume a lot of the space on your computer. It doesn't have a high requirement for a computer system. So that is the tutorial I introduced today about how to use the Lightworks free video editor to edit your videos for free on your computer or on your Mac. Please, I just want to emphasize it again, it is completely free.